There are many issues facing career and technical education CTE. Obviously, funding tops this list and gets the most attention. But let me start off by telling you why CTE is important. The way in which education is currently being delivered is an antiquated and out of date system that focuses on standardized education for all. It is my opinion that this system of education will soon become a thing of the past. The CTE approach to education is the future of education and will usher us into a new educational experience for 21st century students. That future will provide individualized, project based learning for every student and will be focused on preparing them for success beyond the classroom and give them a solid foundation to bridge both the soft and technical skills gap facing our nation. There is no doubt that there will always be a need for fundamental education in regard to reading, writing, and arithmetic, but through the use of technology, future students will have the ability to focus their talents and interest into a more refined and individualized learning experience. Other than funding, I believe that there are two critical issues facing CTE. The first being finding and keeping qualified educators who have the necessary real-world experience to deliver a CTE curriculum. I found that in many cases, this is the primary reason for programs to fail or shut down. It is my belief that there needs to be some sort of teacher training option built into the funding structure for CTE that allows for industry professionals to gain the necessary classroom and instructional management skills to deliver the content in a meaningful and effective way. The second critical issue facing CTE is the negative stigma associated with vocational education. What the general public needs to know is that CTE is not only everything that vocational education was, it has evolved into something that is beneficial and relevant for all students. CTE is something that will prepare them for success in the 21st century, regardless of the path they choose, that being university or a career path. What CTE needs the most is active participation from everyone in the community. Thank you for your time.